Namaste. Welcome to Mumbai Dream Tours. The Gateway of India is an arch monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai, in the Indian state of Maharashtra. It was erected to commemorate the landing in December 1911 at Apollo Bunder, Mumbai, then Bombay, of King Emperor George V and Queen Empress Mary, the first British monarch to visit India. At the time of the royal visit, the gateway was not yet built, and a cardboard structure greeted the monarch. The foundation stone was laid in March 1913 for a monument built in the Indo-Saracenic style, incorporating elements of 16th-century Marathi architecture. The final design of the monument by architect George Whitted was sanctioned only in 1914, and construction was completed in 1924. The structure is a triumphal arch made of basalt, which is 26 meters, 85 feet, high, situated next to the Gateway of India. Historically it was known as the Taj Mahal Hotel or simply the Taj. The hotel is considered one of the finest hotels in the East since the time of the British Raj. Part of the Taj Hotel's resorts and palaces, this hotel with its 560 rooms and 44 suites is considered the flagship property of the group. It employs some 1,600 staff. The hotel is made up of two different buildings, the Taj Mahal Palace and the Tower, which are historically and architecturally distinct from each other. The Taj Mahal Palace was built at the start of the 20th century. The tower was opened in 1973. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, officially Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, station code, CSTM, mainline/ST, suburban, also known by its former name Victoria Terminus, station code, BBVT/VT, is a historic terminal train station and UNESCO World Heritage Site in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The terminus was designed by British-born architectural engineer Frederick William Stevens, in an exuberant Italian Gothic style. Its construction began in 1878, in a location south of the old Bori Bunder railway station, and was completed in 1887, the year marking 50 years of Queen Victoria's rule, the building being named Victoria Terminus. The Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, MCGM, IAST, Banmaba Monagaraplik, formerly and commonly known as the Bombay Municipal Corporation, BMC, is the governing civic body of Mumbai, the capital city of Maharashtra. It is India's richest municipal corporation. The MCGM's annual budget exceeds that of some of India's smaller states. It was established under the Bombay Municipal Corporation Act 1888. MCGM is responsible for the civic infrastructure and administration of the city and some suburbs. Marine Drive is a 3.6-kilometer-long promenade along the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Road in South Mumbai in the city of Mumbai, India. Often, the names Marine Drive and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Road are used interchangeably to refer to this 3.9-kilometer stretch. The road and promenade were constructed by late philanthropist Bagajish Adhkir and Palanji Mistry. It is a C-shaped 6-lane concrete road along the coast of a natural bay. At the northern end of Marine Drive is Gurjie on Chowpatty and the adjacent road along links Nariman Point at southern tip to Babulnath and Malabar Hill at northern tip. Marine Drive is situated on reclaimed land facing west-southwest. Marine Drive is also known as the Queen's Necklace because, when viewed at night from an elevated point anywhere along the drive, the street lights resemble a string of pearls in a necklace. Mani Bhavan is a museum and historical building dedicated to Gandhi, situated at Laburnum Road in the Gamdevi precinct of Mumbai. Mani Bhavan was the focal point of Gandhi's political activities in Mumbai between 1917 and 1934. Mani Bhavan was Gandhi's Mumbai headquarters for about 17 years, from 1917 to 1934. The mansion belonged to Ravishankar Jagjeevan Jhaveri, Gandhi's friend and host in Mumbai during this period. There is a library with a statue of the Mahatma where people offer tributes. In 1955, the building was taken over by the Gandhi Smaraknithi in order to maintain it as a memorial to Gandhi. Dhobi Ghat, Mahalakshmi Dhobi Ghat, is an open-air laundromat, lavoir, in Mumbai, India. It is located at Mahalakshmi Railway Station in southern Mumbai. It is also accessible from the Jacob Circle monorail station. The washers, known as dhobis, work in the open to clean clothes and linens from Mumbai's hotels and hospitals. It was constructed in 1890. The word Dhobi Ghat is used all over India to refer to any place where many washers are present. Inspired by the Mumbai Dhobi Ghat, then Bombay, the British built Dhobi Ghat in Kolkata, then Calcutta, in 1902. There are rows of open-air concrete wash pens, each fitted with its own flogging stone. Called the world's largest outdoor laundry, Dhobi Ghat is a very popular attraction among foreign tourists. The Hanging Gardens, in Mumbai, also known as Feroza Shah Mehta Gardens, are terraced gardens perched at the top of Malabar Hill, on its western side, just opposite the Kamala Nehru Park. They provide sunset views over the Arabian Sea and feature numerous hedges carved into the shapes of animals. The park was laid out in 1881 by Ulhas Gapokar over Bombay's main reservoir, some say to cover the water from the potentially contaminating activity of the nearby Towers of Silence. When seen from the air, the walkway inside the park, Hanging Gardens Path, spell out the letters PMG, Feroza Shah Mehta Gardens, in cursive. Kamala Nehru Park is part of the Hanging Gardens complex in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, covering an area of approximate 16,000 sq.mt. 4 acres, located at the top of Mumbai's Malabar Hill, it is developed and maintained by the Hydraulic Engineers Department of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. One of Mumbai's premier gardens, it is popular with young children and tourists. Citation needed. The garden has views of the Marine Drive below, also known as Queen's Necklace. The University of Mumbai, known earlier as University of Bombay, is one of the oldest and premier universities in India. It was established in 1857 consequent upon Wood's Education Dispatch, and it is one amongst the first 3 universities in India. The Oval Maidan is a large grade I recreational ground situated in South Mumbai, India. It is so named because of its oval shape and is situated just south of Churchgate. It is a popular recreation ground, with the most popular sports played there being cricket and football. The ground measures 22 acres, 8.9 ha, in area. Political rallies and religious functions are banned in the Maidan. Bombay High Court is one of the oldest high courts of India. It is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Its jurisdiction covers the states of Maharashtra and Goa, and the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. The High Court has regional branches at Nagpur and Aurangabad in Maharashtra and Panaji, the capital of Goa. The Rajabai Tower is a clock tower in South Mumbai, India. It is located in the confines of the Fort campus of the University of Mumbai. It stands at a height of 85 m, 280 feet or 25 stories. The tower is part of the Victorian and Art Deco ensemble of Mumbai, which was added to the list of World Heritage Sites in 2018. Thanks for watching. Book your Mumbai tours today. Don't forget to follow or subscribe to our channel.